Okay, so welcome back guys again here to another video tutorial. So in this first video, or in this video, we're gonna learn VB script or VBS. VB script or VBS is created by Microsoft. It's a lightweight programming language. So we're gonna learn it today. This is the first video, or the first video of first chapter, and there's 5 chapters. So let's start now. You need Microsoft Windows. I don't know if this programming language will work in Mac OS X or Mac Book like that. I don't know if it will work in your operating system. So it will work in Windows operating system, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 9. So I have some created there, this joke virus. So we're gonna learn new today. So open your notepad or any text editor that you want. Together we will please write this wscript.co, then double quotation mark, then let's space in here, then please type hello VBS, control S in it or control save. Please put it in the desktop, then name it as a VBS.VBS. Okay, so if you run it, this text file, you're gonna see this text file, this logo of text. So let's click it. You can see it says hello VBS. So it will run in Windows script host. So let's try more. Let's try let's copy this, then put many like that. Oops, we have some. Okay, so it's enough. So control S, then let's run it again, this logo. Okay, little 10. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. I say that this is the first video, first chapter, then there's 5 chapters. In that chapter we have 2 videos, so we have 2, 4, 6, 10 videos. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Thank you.